Good evening, students. This is CR sir, Mathematics, Mains, September 2nd, 2020, Shift 1. Questions I am going to discuss. Already 5 questions I discussed in part 1. Now this is part 2. Sixth question. Z minus alpha divided by Z plus alpha is purely imaginary and mod Z is equal to 82. Then mod alpha is equal to, this is the question. Purely imaginary means what? Real part of Z minus alpha divided by Z plus alpha is equal to 0. So purely imaginary means real part is 0. So here we know the condition. Z minus alpha divided by Z plus alpha plus conjugate of this Z conjugate minus alpha conjugate divided by Z conjugate plus alpha conjugate, that is equal to 0. Purely imaginary means Z plus Z conjugate is equal to 0. Use this concept, we get very easily answer. Now take the LCM and denominator part is going to 0. Now Z conjugate plus Z into alpha conjugate minus alpha into Z conjugate minus alpha into alpha conjugate. So after calculation, numerator we got like this, denominator send right hand side. Now see here, Z alpha conjugate, these two cancel and these two also cancel. We know that Z into Z conjugate, that is mod Z square. Here one term, totally 2 into mod Z square minus, here is the one term, here is another term, 2 into mod alpha square, that is equal to 0. Finally, mod Z square is equal to mod alpha square, but they are asking only mod alpha value. That means mod Z is equal to mod alpha. Here already given mod Z is equal to 82. So that means mod alpha is also 82. This is also very easy question. Next I am going to 7th question. This is standard question only. This is standard question only. Read the question. If alpha comma beta are roots of the equation 5x square plus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. If Sn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n is equal to 1, 2, 3, then S6, S5 and S4 relation they are asking. See here formula. By observing quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, Sn is equal to alpha power n plus beta power n. Then what is the formula? Asn plus bsn minus 1 plus c Sn minus 2 is equal to 0. Now observe the quadratic equation. So what we get answer now? A means 5. Sn, by observing the question. So this is I am writing An plus 6 into Bn minus 1 minus 2 into Cn minus 2, that is equal to 0. So I am written here 5 into An plus 6 into Bn minus 1 minus 2 into Cn minus 2. So we can write in place of ABC S only, because in the formula also S is there and in the question also S6, S5, S4 is there. In place of n, substitute 6, we get 5 S6 plus 6 S5 minus 2 S4 is equal to 0. Now 5 S6 plus 6 S5, that is equal to 2 S4. This is the relation between S4, S5, S6. This is also very easy question, but remember it, this formula You will get answer easily. Now see the question here. Area formed outside of mod x plus 2 plus mod y by 3 is equal to 1 and inside the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1 is. In between these two curves, what is the area we need to find? See the diagram. So x square by 4 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. This is the ellipse. What is the a value here? A is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. 1 second. So the diagram is approximately is equal, I think. A value, this is 2, this is 3, this is 2 and this is. Observe the line also. So mod x by 2 plus mod y by 3 is equal to 1. It's form total quadrilateral. But they are asking outside the quadrilateral plus inside the ellipse. So what is the required area? This area is the required. Okay. Now how to find that area? Okay. What is the area of ellipse formula? Area of ellipse. Area of ellipse. That is pi AB. Already A value, B value, we know that. Substitute that. We get 6 pi. Now this is one right angle triangle. This is one right angle triangle. How to find inside the area? Area of quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral. So it is divided 4 parts. 4 into 1 by 2 into base into height. Observe that. Here 2 is the cancel. Total 12. This is the inside area of quadrilateral. Now required area is required area. What is that? Total in that ellipse. Subtract that area of quadrilateral. Remaining is the required area. Students, all of you understood now? Still now not subscribed? Subscribe my channel. Like the channel. Share to your friends. Thank you. Within 1 hour, I will make another video.